How to buy a property on Monopoly Go. So you have the option to purchase any property that is currently unowned by an opponent if you land on one. The property is then regarded as being owned by you. Every time you pass go, the value of the property will be collected as long as you are the owner. And here's another thing. You can't steal property if you land on a player's property spot, at which point you are deemed the owner. Stealing a property does not award money. However, the player who stole the property will receive money for the enhancement that was applied for the theft. Third thing, you will have a color monopoly if you land on every colored property in a neighborhood without any other players snatching those properties. If you win color monopoly on your subsequent go, you'll receive a rent bonus. If any of the properties are stolen by players before the following go, the monopoly bonus is void. So when it comes to having or getting a house, you gain a house for each landmark you construct or enhance. Your houses will be automatically positioned on random property tiles when you return to the game board. So I do really hope that this video helped you.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.